Nutmeg is a mobile-friendly WordPress theme for food bloggers, but it can also be used on other types of WordPress websites. It has fast loading times and is easy to optimize according to Google's Web Vitals guidelines. This theme is available for free on WordPress.org, but a paid upgrade is available on ILOVEWP.com. By the end of this video, you should know if Nutmeg is a good match for your website and if a paid upgrade is something to consider. Let's begin by installing the theme on a fresh WordPress website without any content. The free version of Nutmeg is available on WordPress.org, so you can easily install it directly from your dashboard. This is what a new website looks like when Nutmeg is active. The free version does not include the demo content. It is available only in Nutmeg Plus through the one-click demo import feature. Let's publish a new recipe without using any plugins. Even the free version of Nutmeg comes with several custom block patterns. I will jump ahead and show you what the theme looks like on a website with existing content. I have a dozen posts in several categories. The custom homepage was created using the built-in block patterns and the Homepage Plus Posts custom page template. In Settings reading, this page is selected as the homepage. Nutmeg is compatible with popular WordPress recipe plugins like WP Recipe Maker and Recipe Card Blocks by WP Zoom. Separate videos for popular plugins are available on this channel. All of Nutmeg's settings are available in the customizer. You have access to different header layouts. You can also change the position of a sidebar, change the format of posts, the size of thumbnails, and so on. A detailed explanation of these features is available in the video for Nutmeg Plus. I highly recommend that you check it out. Even though the free version is fully functional and just as fast, there are several notable differences between Nutmeg and Nutmeg Plus. Nutmeg has only limited color customization options, while Nutmeg Plus includes extensive options for changing colors and fonts. Nutmeg Plus comes with the ability to import any of its demos, as well as access to the built-in theme style templates. Users that are new to WordPress find this feature very valuable. It also contains more custom block patterns and more widgetized areas. Nutmeg Plus will be updated more often with new features and improvements, including features suggested by our users. Nutmeg Plus customers have access to quick one-on-one support by email and even by Skype. If you're serious about your blog and it is more than just a simple hobby, then Nutmeg Plus is a valuable upgrade. Thank you for watching, and please get in touch if you have any questions.